You guys love the zipper trick, but that is just the warm-up. This is a 20-cent tool that solves $20 problems. Today, I'm showing you 5 things you can fix with a simple pencil, and number 4 might actually save your electronics. Let's start with the one that blew up the channel. Got a stuck zipper? Don't force it. You'll break the track. Graphite is a natural dry lubricant. Rub the tip on the teeth, slide the zipper back and forth, and it glides like new. No grease stains on your jacket. Next up, locks. Stop spraying WD-40 into your padlocks or ignition. It attracts dust and eventually gums up the pins. Instead, color your key with a pencil. Load it up with graphite. When you slide it in, that graphite coats the pins inside the lock. It's a dry lube that never gets sticky. Smooth action, zero mess. Number 3 is for when you buy a new part, peel the sticker off, and now you have this nasty goo left behind. Don't use harsh chemicals that ruin the paint. Grab the eraser end. The friction rolls the glue up into little balls that just wipe away. It takes 10 seconds and won't melt your plastic. Number 4 can bring dead electronics back to life. Remote stopped working, key fob dead. It's usually not the battery. It's the invisible oxidation on the contacts. The eraser is slightly abrasive, perfect for polishing metal contacts without damaging them. Scrub until it shines, pop the battery back in, and it works instantly. Finally, if you have wood-on-wood drawers that squeak or stick, do not use oil. Oil soaks into the wood and makes it swell, which makes it stick worse. Just draw on the tracks. The graphite layer creates a frictionless surface. It's like ball bearings for your wood furniture. So, before you go to the hardware store to buy expensive sprays, check your desk drawer. You might already have the fix. If you want more $0 repairs like this, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.